Today, we will talk about how to get vomit smell out of a couch. Let's have a look at the details. It's no fun when someone vomits on a couch, but accidents happen. If this happened to you, your child, or even your pet, you likely cleaned up the aftermath as fast as possible. One thing that might still be lingering is the smell. As strong as the vomit stench may be, there are actually a lot of ways to get rid of it. In this video, we will discuss some methods, along with information on which solutions will work best for couches made of fabric, suede, and leather. Baking soda. This absorbs the odor and is safe for leather and fabric couches. Sprinkle enough baking soda to cover the affected area on your couch. Then, let the baking soda sit for 1 hour to give it time to soak up the odor. After that, vacuum up the baking soda. Once you're done, your couch should be smelling fresh and clean once again. Baking soda, scented liquid soap, and hydrogen peroxide. Opt for this method if the stench is particularly strong. This option is safe for fabric couches with an S or SW tag. Spray the solution on the smelly parts of your couch and let it air dry. This method should have your couch smelling as good as new in no time. White vinegar and water. Go for this method to remove the smell from leather and suede couches. Allow the solution to dry, and it should make your couch smell much fresher than before. Odor removal spray. Spray an odor-eliminating product where the vomit was. To really get rid of the smell, opt for an unscented odor-eliminating product. Purchase the product online or at a home improvement store in your area. Coffee grounds. Due to their rich, strong smell, coffee grounds work well as a deodorizer. Pour dried coffee grounds into a cheesecloth and place them in the room with your couch. This can help you freshen up the whole space after an accident. Opening your windows and doors. Fresh air can help get rid of the smell. If you've tried an at-home method and the smell is still lingering, make sure to open all the windows and doors in that room. This will freshen up the space and get rid of the smell of vomit. Deodorizing your couch cushions outside. Sunlight can kill off any lingering germs on your cushions. A study published by Microbiome Journal found that sunlight exposure can destroy bacteria on surfaces. If your couch has removable couch cushions, leave them outside in the sunlight for 6 hours. Direct exposure to the sun's rays will disinfect the cushions and make them smell nice and clean once more. Air freshener. Use this along with another cleaning method. Once you've applied baking soda, white vinegar, or any other previously listed method to your couch, spray air freshener throughout the room to ensure that the smell is totally gone. Fabric softener and water. Dilute fabric softener in water to freshen up the air. If you've tried a removal method on the couch and the smell is still present, try leaving a bowl of fabric softener and water in the room overnight. The next morning, the room should smell much better. Upholstery steam cleaner. This works for solvent and water-safe couches. If at-home methods don't work, rent an upholstery steam cleaner. First, check your couch's label for the letters SW. This means it's solvent and water-safe. Then, search online for a steam cleaning service in your area and rent a steam cleaner. To use the machine, fill it up with water according to the instructions. Then, clean the pillows and cushions first. Once you're done, clean the couch's frame in segments. If you see an X on the couch label, that means it's not safe to steam clean. Professional cleaning services. Try this as a last resort. If you've cleaned up the vomit and tried other methods with no success, hire a professional to get the job done. Search online for a professional steam cleaning or upholstery cleaning service in your area. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.